Let's begin by understanding the background of this legal dispute. Jose Lee, a property owner in East Tapanac, Olongapo City, found himself at the center of an expropriation case when the city government, led by Mayor Rolen Paulino, sought to acquire his land for a new civic center complex. The city passed several ordinances reclassifying the area for mixed-use development, aiming to house government offices, a museum, a library, and more. After failed negotiations over the sale price, the city moved to expropriate the property, depositing a portion of the assessed value with the court. Lee objected, raising concerns about the process and the true purpose of the expropriation, arguing it was not genuinely for public use. This set the stage for a legal battle that would test the boundaries of due process and the requirements for lawful expropriation. As the case progressed, both sides presented their arguments. The city of Olongapo insisted it followed all legal steps, including passing the necessary ordinances and making a written offer to Lee. They argued that the Civic Center project was for public benefit and that the mayor was properly authorized to initiate expropriation. Lee, on the other hand, challenged the sufficiency of the city's offer and questioned whether the taking was truly for public use, suggesting it might benefit private interests. He also claimed procedural lapses, particularly the lack of a full hearing on his defenses. The trial court sided with the city, allowing expropriation after the city deposited a portion of the land's value. Lee's motion for reconsideration was denied, and the Court of Appeals affirmed the lower court's decision, emphasizing compliance with procedural requirements. However, Lee persisted, bringing the case to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court's decision marked a turning point. While it agreed that the mayor had authority to file the expropriation complaint, the court found that the city failed to meet all legal requirements. Specifically, the city did not exhaust efforts to reach a mutual agreement with Lee after he rejected their offer, as required by law. More importantly, the court held that Lee's right to procedural due process was violated because the trial court dismissed his defenses without a proper hearing. The Supreme Court emphasized that expropriation cases require strict adherence to both substantive and procedural due process, ensuring property owners have a real opportunity to present their objections. As a result, the court reversed the lower rulings and remanded the case for further proceedings, reinforcing the importance of due process in property rights disputes.